pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap Mayo local and long-distance movers near me. Venturing on a new journey at a different place, either in a new city, state, or abroad, is a gratifying experience. Yet it is equally challenging with all the decisions you need to make in transit. Above all, how you will pack and move your things shouldn't be your major concern. In Mayo, all our movers at 3 men and a truck are licensed and experienced at keeping your valuables safe for the long trip. We service everything from packing to shipping your things safely and timely to your new space. Our competitive prices make us the best and the most reliable moving company in Mayo, Maryland. Hiring a local Mayo moving company might feel like a little extravagant, but upon realizing how much time and effort you are saving, it's going to be worth the cost. Our moving team will handle every aspect of your moving process for you. So, sit back and relax at Beach Park, while our movers will pack and move everything into your new space, along with setting up your furniture. In just a few hours, you'll be all free to enjoy your new space. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Mayo moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.